If you think building a strong, aesthetic body requires a gym, let me stop you right there, because that belief is exactly what's keeping you stuck. Most people don't fail because they don't have access. They fail because they rely on comfort. Machines, assistants, easy reps. But real strength, real control, comes from one thing you can't escape: your own body. And today, you're going to use it to build muscle, burn fat, and take control of your physique in just 10 minutes a day. No equipment, no excuses, just you versus gravity. But here's the part most people don't realize. This only works if you do it right. And that's exactly why most people try bodyweight training and see zero results. So stay with me, because in a couple minutes, I'm going to show you a small adjustment, a simple shift in how you do these exercises that will instantly make this routine twice as effective. This is something I personally use, and almost nobody talks about it. And if you miss it, you'll end up doing the same routine with half the results. Let's get to work. We start simple, 1 minute to prepare your body. Because if you skip this, you're already limiting your performance and increasing your risk of injury. Arm circles first, controlled, smooth. Open up your shoulders, don't rush it. Feel the joints warming up. Now bring it into marching knee raises. Lift high, engage your core. Feel your body waking up. Torso twists. Loosen your spine, controlled rotation, stay relaxed. And finally, ankle circles. Small movement, but critical. This is how you move better, feel lighter, and avoid unnecessary strain. Now you're ready. This is your 10-minute routine. 5 movements, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. No distractions, lock in. We start with push-ups. This is where your upper body is built. Hands down, core tight, body straight. Lower slowly, control the descent, then push up with intent. Don't just move. Feel every rep. Elbows at 45 degrees, protect your shoulders, maximize strength. Beginners, drop to your knees if needed, but stay tight. No loose form. Advanced, slow it down, increase tension, make every second count. Next, squats. Feet shoulder width, chest up, sit back like you mean it. Slow down on the way down, then explode up with power. Your legs should feel this immediately. Quads, glutes, everything working together. And halfway through, you'll feel that shift, that burn creeping in. That's where most people slow down. You don't. Now plank hold. This is where your discipline gets tested. Elbows under shoulders, straight line from head to heels. No sagging, no cheating. Squeeze your core, squeeze your glutes. Stay locked in. When it starts shaking, when your body wants to quit, that's the moment that matters most. Now listen carefully, because this is where most people lose their results. The difference between someone who transforms their body with this routine and someone who stays the same comes down to one thing: tension. Most people just go through the motions. They move, but they don't engage. But if you actively squeeze your muscles during every rep, your chest during push-ups, your glutes during squats, your core during planks, you instantly double the effectiveness. Same exercises, completely different results. This is the hidden factor. This is what separates average from elite. And once you understand this, everything changes. You feel stronger within days. Your muscles activate deeper. Your control improves. And suddenly this routine hits different. Now we finish strong. Superman hold. Lift everything. Arms, chest, legs. Hold it. Control it. Don't rush. This is your posterior chain, your back, your foundation. Ignore this and your posture weakens, your strength becomes unbalanced. Train it, and you move like someone who's actually powerful. Now, final movement. Slow mountain climbers. This is where everything comes together. Not fast, controlled. Bring each knee in, keep your core tight, hips stable. No bouncing, no chaos, just control. Your shoulders are burning, your abs are firing, your heart rate is climbing. This is the finish. Most people ease up here. You don't. You push through. Because this last movement is where the real transformation starts. And just like that, you're done. Now bring it down. Stretch your hamstrings, open your chest, hit your quads, and breathe. Slow inhale through your nose, deep exhale through your mouth. Let your body reset. Now listen, because this matters more than everything we just did. This routine works, not because it's extreme, but because it's repeatable. 10 minutes, every day. That's it. No complicated plans, no overthinking, no waiting for motivation, just action. Most people fail because they chase perfection. Perfect programs, perfect timing, perfect conditions. You don't need perfect, you need consistency. But there are mistakes that will destroy your progress if you're not careful. Rushing your reps, fast and sloppy, builds nothing. Control builds everything. Bad form, especially in planks. The second your hips drop, your lower back takes over. Stay aligned. Breathing, don't hold it. Inhale on the easy part, exhale on the effort. And the biggest one, quitting when it burns. That burn, that discomfort, that's the signal. That's your body being pushed beyond its comfort zone. If you stop there, you stay the same. Push past it, and you change. And don't expect instant results. This isn't magic, it's discipline. But give it 30 days, just 10 minutes a day, and you will feel the difference. You'll move better, look sharper, feel stronger, more controlled, more confident. That's real transformation. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't need perfect conditions. You already have everything you need. This is your starting point, so commit. Right now, 30 days. No skipping, no excuses. Show up, even on the days you don't feel like it. Because those are the days that build you. And if you're serious about becoming stronger, more disciplined, more powerful, subscribe and stay locked in with Omega Body. Because at the end of the day, your best body isn't bought. It's built, one rep at a time.